Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram crash problem. Does Instagram keep crashing or closing it by itself? Here's the easy fix that works on both Instagram and Android. First, restart your phone. This clears small box that cause apps to crash. Turn off your phone, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. You can also check internet connection. Unstable internet can cause Instagram switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. After that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Instagram and tap Update if available. An outdated phone software can break app. For that, go to the setting, tap on General, then tap on Software Update and install any available updates. If your phone storage is full, app will crash. Delete unused app, photos or videos and make up space. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.